Hi, Norris. See, let me ask you guys. Um, hope you guys are good. Are you guys good? Are you guys good? When I was young, I tried to use my mother makeup, but then I used the lipstick on my forehead as blush. Oh my God, that's funny, Rosebud. That's funny. That's really funny. Thank you so much, Rosebud. Hello, Mosai. Destiny, hi. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much. Hali, are you still here, Hali? Hali, are you still here? So yeah, I've drawn my bro. So I'll be going in with the eyeshadow. What's going on? Okay, so this is the brush. This is the eyeshadow brush I'll be using. So taking this shade, this is the shade, this shade here, this shade you are seeing. Taking this shade, that's the first color. Serious. So I'll be playing around with color today. I'll be playing around with color. So I use a brush to tap the shade. That's the shade. Can you guys see the shade? Yeah. Then dust it. Take my small mirror. Last time I was like 6. How old are you now? How old are you now? Ali, my ex-boyfriend, he texted me and asked if we can get back together, and I said that I will give me another chance. So now we are back together. He said that he was sorry. Okay, that was good. That was good. Forgiveness really matter in relationship. That's good. That's good, Ali. Brow now, my brow rose. Oh my God, my brow, my eyebrow. So you call it eyebrow, something like that. Glory, hi Glory. I really missed you. I missed you too, Glory. Saying you get your lipstick. I don't understand you, girl. Sigma. Right now I'm 12. Okay, you are 12 right now. Okay. FX, hi, I can see our message. Glory, thank you so much for subscribing. Guys, we are just joining the stream. Please and please, can you like the stream, guys? Like the stream, guys. So I will start from here. This is my outer corner here. Red, this my boyfriend cannot cheat. Your boyfriend cannot cheat. Lipstick, what happened to lipstick? Sigma girl, what happened to lipstick? FX, do you want to tell me something? You are saying hi. So tap from this outer corner, bring it up to the side. Face is beautiful. Sigma girl, what happened to the lipstick? Oh, I'm just a girl. Hi, I'm just a girl. Please, can you show me your whole house? No, I can't. Sorry, I can't show you my whole house. When I'm not selling the house, why should I show you the whole house? Oh God, you blend. You blend. I'm just a girl. Welcome. Please and please, can you anybody that is asking where are you, can you be answering them? Because I'm tired of where are you question. Like, where are you from question. Can you be answering them? I'm vain. What do you mean? Yesterday was crazy. Yeah, it is. It was. Face, what do you mean you are vain? What do you mean you are vain? Thank you so much, Glory. I'm answering. I don't understand you, Face. What do you mean by you are vain? See what you type. Fain. I don't understand this one.